Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our Ford Ecosport. They're kind of a neat little smaller SUV, kind of a car with an SUV hatch because they are just got a little 1-liter 4-cylinder in them. This one's a titanium, has a sunroof, heated seats, leather seats, navigation, just over 100,000. Came out of the Phoenix area. So nice and clean. I love Arizona cars. They aren't rusty. They very, very good shape. The hatch is in kind of a neat spot on these right there in the tail light, so that's pretty cool. New tires on it. Ain't hardly a ding on it. For a 100,000 mile car, definitely in excellent shape. And then we sell them with warranty, 12-month, 12,000 mile comprehensive warranty, drivetrain, suspension, steering, fuel, AC, electrical. Nobody else that I know of offers this kind of coverage on a 100,000 mile car. So 605-692-7010.